All right, good morning, guys. Welcome back to another fun-filled episode of Mr. Warren's psychology video notes. Excuse me. So, you guys should just finish what you do now. What are some limitations of your research? How has gathering the appropriate information been easy? How has it been difficult? So, a couple of your limitations have already been set for you. So first of all, I said limit it to students here at Manual High School. Don't let it extend outwards, just so it keeps a good, consistent demographic. How has it been easy? So I'm guessing some of you guys might have said, okay, I'm at school 5 days a week, so I'm here over the next couple days. So I'm around people here at high school. So it's not like on a weekend where, okay, I might run into somebody from school, I might not. How can it be difficult? First of all, you only have really 2 days to gather all this data and collect the information, so your time window is a little bit limited. Maybe some of you guys said it's been hard coming up with questions, things like that. So whatever you guys wrote, just make sure you have 4 sentences, get it turned in the white binder, and we'll go and move on. So this should be the second day of the data collection phase, and so you're essentially doing the exact same thing you did yesterday. So if you guys got any information from the previous day, or this morning or whatever, now's the time to start organizing it. Okay, I got this many questions, I had this many people answer it, and start organizing the information. And then continue if you have students here in the class you want to ask a couple questions to, or just kind of preparing how you're going to get the data for coming into class tomorrow. This is supposed to be the last day that you guys are going to have to gather the data. So tomorrow we're going to go ahead and move on. And obviously, the earlier class in the day, 5th and 6th period, are going to have a little bit more of an advantage over 8th period, just because obviously you're only hearing this now at the end of the day. So you guys will have this class period, and then all the next morning up until you come back in this class until we move on. So once again, things you need to keep a record of: all questions that you ask and all people that you ask. Remember, you don't need people's names. Don't write them down. Don't need people's names. Just getting their information and their demographics. So, okay, the 17-year-old goes to Manual High School, or this 9th grade girl, she's 15, whatever the case may be. Just keep track of the demographics. That's all you need. Once again, gather as much information as you possibly can, because for tomorrow's lesson, we're going to come in and move on to the next phase of this. So we got to keep this moving. We got to keep it on track, or else we're going to run out of time. The last thing you want to do is, using the couple days you have for review for the final, trying to finish up this project. So make sure you have all this information. It doesn't necessarily have to be organized, but you have to have all your information. It's going to be due by the next lesson, all right? So make sure you get it all together, organize as best you can, and get it turned in. So remember, if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Other than that, I'll see you for the next lesson.